What's up, guys? It's Jonathan, not giving a care in Nerren here. As deemed by Corey Hosford, at least. Appreciate that. New little nickname. If you don't know, we were officially accepted into Gridlife MidWest. Pumped on that. This is our first year running Gridlife, so we're super excited, me and the team, to get out there and really throw down with these guys, party a little bit, and have fun at the music festival. If you haven't watched the Drift Draft, the guys at Maximum Driftcast and Gridlife, at Maximum Driftcast, we got Sam and Corey and Paco and Gridlife Nick and Mike were out there doing the live draft on Maximum Driftcast. You can check out the full, I think it's part 1 and part 2 on YouTube and Facebook. At the end of this video, we'll have a link where they were talking about drafting, or they brought in me particularly. In the few minutes they discussed some of the parts of the Super Snake behind me, and the guys were having some fun. So check the rest of that video out. I want to give you guys a little bit of information about the car, specifically some things that Nick brought up, and talking about our man Thick Rick. Shout out. We actually don't have all the belts, so we have two. We have one belt for the supercharger setup, kind of proprietary to it itself, and then one other belt for the only serpentine accessory we have on that belt, which is our alternator. Everything else is electric, so we don't have all the belts, unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you want to look at it. We don't need them. So another thing they brought up was 2019 Super Snake. If he has a belt come off, bring that thing to the dealership. It's under warranty, right? Yeah, it's under warranty, but I'm not sure they would allow me to utilize that warranty anymore. The car is, as you can see, pretty much full race car. It still has a Coyote engine in it, but you know, everything else has been going through. We're still utilizing a stock ECU as for now. But yeah, everything else is chopped front to rear. It's a full drift car, so I'll take you a little walk around it and give you a quick tour. All right, there's our Thick Rick setup. We got the supercharger belt and the alternator belt. That's it. And the rest is a Super Snake wide body kit. Open the doors here. See, don't mind the grocery bags in there. I was going to the grocery store to get a couple things. But it's all a race car. It's no, you know, maybe they would have a warranty for it. Not sure, but I doubt it. We'll try it out. You know, maybe if I bring Nick, he's a smooth talker. He can hook me up. You come to the dealership with me if anything happens, Nick. It's our rear setup, trunk pins, and our fluid on radiator, and our PowerTech fuel cell, and all the fuel components. See we have our supercharger, the heat exchanger for it in the back as well. But yeah, this is it. This is the tour, grand tour. Sorry about that. So as I mentioned before, you can check out the full draft live, or not live now, it was live, at YouTube and Facebook on Maximum Driftcast. And if you wait till the end of this video, you'll see where they're discussing my end of, you know, bringing me on to Gridlife MidWest driver, the drift driver. So me and the team are super excited to be out there. We see you guys soon. Yeah, let's party. Later.
All right, coming in hot. He was born 1999. I was saying that like he was too young to drive, but that's actually fucking 20 years ago now, so that's not even a good joke. How did I get so long? Jonathan Nerren. Jonathan Nerren.
Hey.
Johnny's been drifting for 10 plus years. He did some FD Canada. He holds a Pro 1 license, actually, FD Pro 1. Good on John. And he has a Built Coyote engine with a Whipple in his 2019 Ford Shelby Super Snake.
That's a solid build.
That's a Super Snake. Ooh.
Super Snake.
Wow.
That's a Super Snake.
I didn't know he had a voice changer too.
What do you mean?
Nick?
Let's see here. Custom.
That's just that's my impressed voice.
Oh. That was very good, Nick. Good job.
So hold on. Jonathan Nerren, 2017 second place overall Formula Drift Canada. That's where he obtained his license. 2016 sixth place overall Formula Drift Canada. First overall Turismo Drift. 2015 first overall US Drift. Second overall South SWD. Dude, holy shit. 2019 Ford Shelby.
That sounds
It's a pretty new car.
That's brand new.
Well, think about it. Wait, does he have it figured out though? Because if he goes out there, blower belt slips off, or like the AC quits work, he can warranty that bitch, right?
His AC might not work.
Bang on it. Take over to the Ford dealership.
But here's
we're not talking about thick rig. No, this dude has all the belts, all the pulleys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He has AC, but what if his AC doesn't work? You know, you got to take that thing in for some maintenance.
Head to the dealership, dude. Like,
what is crazy is that this is a Shelby Super Snake 2019. He already installed a roll cage on it.
And an angle kit. Dude, this thing is fully juiced out. Props
to Jonathan out there. Jonathan,
fucking fully torqued.
Jonathan not giving a Karen Nerren, dude. He's just out there
sitting. There it is. There we go. There's one.
Mm-hmm. And then you want to hit the next one?
Hold on. I want to see if he has a picture. Hold on. I'm going to see if he has a picture here. It looks like we have a link to it. I got to see if this is real. I got to do some.
I habitually like baby burp when I drink White Claws. I call it claw talk.
Dude, so can you show that picture real quick?
I had heartburn for the entirety of Gridlife South because I was pounding White Claws, and that didn't feel good internally, but it felt good mentally.
Dude, next time you have our homie Pat Gooden on the show, you need to ask him about Team Heartburn. That was actually his drift team at Winter Jam this year because we're all getting old and we can't.
Yeah, we can't drink 20 White Claws a day anymore and feel good.
Yeah.
Which is so weird because, I just thought it says right on the can, makes you feel good if you drink 20.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, Corey, do you want to talk about these photos? Is it legit?
It is nuts. Like, this thing, it is what it says it is. But if you guys, if you guys want, just go to his Instagram, Jonathan Nerren, JONATHAN That car's spicy. I give him props for sure.
All right.
No Karen Nerren.
We got